Use emojis in your Google Drive file names. This is another flipped classroom tutorial. Yes, that's right, you can put emojis in your Google Drive file names, and this will not only make it look original, it'll also help you to organize your drive because it adds a visual touch to your file names. Now, how do you get started? Well, very easy. Open up a new file, now let's say a Google document. And before you do anything, you're going to select Insert. Now when you click on Insert, you have the option of adding special characters. Now, go ahead and select a special character. And then under the extra options, you are going to select not symbol, but emoji. Once we've got our emojis, we can select any of these emojis. Now, simply by hovering over the emoji, we can preview it. Now I'm going to look for an interesting emoji just for my file name. So instead of people and emotions, I'm going to go down even further in the submenu and I'm going to select marks or symbols. Let's go with marks first. Let's see if there's anything that we can use. And I'm going to use this green tick, which I quite like for a important document file name. Now you could also use this exclamation mark or some question marks. Let's go ahead with this one and maybe add an exclamation mark at the end. There we go, we can now close this, and as you can see I have my emojis in my document. Now whenever you work with emojis in either Google Docs or Google Slides, you can enlarge these and they will function as fully vectorized icons, which means that no matter what size they are, they will look good. Now let's call this document Check Out My File Name. There we go. Now I'm going to make it a bit smaller to make it easier to read, so let's put it on 30. There we go, and I want this to be my file name. Very easy, right click, copy, go to the top of your document, and there we go. We now have emojis in our document's file name. Now I can hear you think, does this work? Absolutely. Go ahead, navigate back to your Google Drive, find your document. Now it will be at the top because an emoji is counted as a character. And here we go. You can now see I have an emoji in my file name and there is an exclamation mark at the end of my file name. Another great way of organizing and personalizing your Google Drive. I hope you found this helpful. For more short tips, check out the channel, and don't forget, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.